everybody in YouTube land. Welcome to a nice sunny day. Oh, and another 50-mile-an-hour limit. So for any of you who are wondering where our tour series was this year, not going to happen in terms of a big tour. So we, the 5 of us, are just heading down to Somerset. And we're not going to film much of today's ride down, because it's been motorway for us most of the way. But it's actually warm and it's 22 degrees, so it hasn't been too bad. So we'll check in with you in a bit, and we'll try and bring you some decent footage of our week down exploring places like Cheddar Gorge and things like that. So hello everyone, welcome to day one. So what we've tried to do is we've tried to salvage a bit of 2020. We were meant to be on a big European trip at this point, and that obviously didn't happen. So the 5 of us have managed to get away, and we're down in Somerset, and we are at this lovely piece of accommodation that we'll show you at some point. We're going to show you properly, but it's called Orchard Barn, and I'll show you around at some point during the week, but it is amazing. And we are out in the middle of nowhere. Say hello to all the guys in a minute, but basically, as I say, because everything was cancelled, we managed to get this the last minute when they removed lockdown. So it's me, my dad, Jazz and Gary and Alison. So we're going to spend a bit of time around here. I'll send the drone up in a minute and kind of show you the area where we are. Try and get a bit of drone footage this week if the wind's not too bad. We've got an Asda delivery coming tomorrow, so we're going to also try and do some cooking videos in terms of how we cook on tour, because a couple of you asked us about that on the Spain series. So yeah, we'll show you kind of how we do that, and how we sort of cook for 5 people on tour and maybe keep the price down a little bit. And Asda delivery coming tomorrow, but we've just got an Indian delivery coming tonight, because obviously, you know, it's what you do when you're on tour, isn't it? Didn't film much today coming down because I'll be brutally honest with you, it was motorway most of the way till about 10 mile up the road, so you don't really want to sit through that. Might show you a bit of footage of the fun we had. It's the first time we've got together since Gary and Alison got the pack talk, so the fun we had trying to pair those when I forgot how to pair a pack talk at the services. Show you a bit of that, show you a bit of drone footage. And I don't know how many videos we'll do. It might not be a video a day, because I'm not sure how much riding we're going to be doing for a day, because we're based here. This was a last minute thing, we haven't got much planned. So thanks for watching. We'll see if we can do something in 2020 for you, and as I say, comment below if you've got anything, and we look forward to putting up some more videos as the week goes on. So what do you do first night on tour when you can't get a food delivery to where you're staying? You get curry, and Gary's going to stink in the morning. Yeah, because I believe that's
2 curries in a row.
Chicken chili garlic. think it would stay the same for the freezing place.
So we've officially moved in. This is us. Got lots of crisps and stuff for packed lunches and breakfast. Lots of ingredients and stuff to make actual meals. Got some drinks and stuff. A little bit of token fruit.
Remember when we were in Swansea and you said, can I go and have a look at that dealers? I said, okay. He said, how far is it? I said, 40 miles. He went, oh, that's not too bad. I said, yeah, it's in Devon. And it's 40 miles straight across.
Are we actually allowed down there? It says we can.